So I'm doing something very cool right now. I've been doing this for, I don't know, I had this for a couple of months now. So I thought I'd share. So initially I have this, uh, okay, I want to open my watch later list, right? I have a bunch of videos that I saved that I realistically, I'm never going to watch in detail. At least I can't watch in detail to really pull the inside out, right? So what I did is I asked for ChatGPT to pull the video IDs out. So initially I asked, I want the video IDs, and then it gave me some Chrome script that I can run on the browser, and then I filtered out some videos that I don't want. So from that, I get these IDs that I pasted in a text file. And then this text file, I'm going to run um, using my script. Let's scroll back to the top. I don't know where I see. Let's see, UL. Okay, here it is. So I use this command to process that text file with IDs. So I'm reading the file itself, one line, one video ID per line, and then I'm feeding it to this script here. I assume you can see my cursor. So I have this YouTube to LLM.python script that I'm going to ask it to do LLM processing on it, and I selected this mode ADA, which is assertion, distinction, and argument, if not mistaken. But you can see the script running here. There are some errors for some videos that has some age restriction, which means I need to log in theoretically, even though I can access this in incognito. But that's a story for another time. But you see here, it started processing some videos, and I'm choosing the GPT-4o Mini because I could run it with my local Olama Mistral. But for this, I decided, okay, let's see how much this will cost. Like I'm going to process around 100, almost 175 videos. So let's see how much I'm going to spend for that. So you see here the output of the script. So it's still going on, but here are some of the output that I'm seeing. So for example, here, I don't know which video this is. Okay, it says at first, this is just verbose output, like I'm debugging it, I mean, making it easier. See, the system prompt is this, I have this set, and then this is the prompt, the ADA mode that I was talking about. So assertion, distinction, and arguments, exactly. And this is the video title that it was processing. By the way, it's named after like this, the video ID is this, right? And then ADA, the mode, and then the name of the model. I name it like that to make it easier to find stuff and understand what is what. So you see here, it started. So if you see the line here, the delimiter, right? You have this and that, this, and then this. It's done because I'm chunking the transcript. Oh yeah, I haven't actually described or explained what the script, the YouTube to LLM.py script does, but essentially, let's see if I can just show you. Okay, so this is the script. You can check it out on the repo, but it's open source. It's essentially, so I'm chunking. Let's go straight to this is a working node. This is essentially not elegant, not pretty, but it works. And you can check you can refer to this if you want to understand